Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. Well, guys, what's going on? Thank you for checking out the new video. It's a beautiful Sunday here in Philadelphia. Super warm. It's like 88 degrees, so it's actually really hot. But I want to get a ride in just because it's so nice out. I hit up a couple of the boys to ride, but none of them are coming out till later because they say it's too hot. So that's that, but let's get a one-hander to start the ride. Let's redeem that there. Oh. She's not even paying attention. If you guys watch the channel, you know that I suck at Ninox, but I don't know if I've had some sort of revelation, but Ninox are now suddenly a lot better. And it's just because someone left a comment recommending I lay off the rear brake more. And now, Ninox are easy. They are still a little more awkward for me, I will say. I've never actually seen one of these in person. It's a little 110cc Honda scooter, fully automatic. That little compartment is removable. It's honestly like the same size as a Grom. I would definitely get a Grom before that though. But they are pretty damn cheap. I think they're like, MSRP is like $1,800, something crazy low like that. These people don't realize it's a green light. And we'll wheelie right over into here. Popping here right now. Check me out on Instagram, Connor G Media.
We have no data right now, but just type it in right here, man.
Yeah.
I promise I'll follow you. Where do you get that?
I built it.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like upgraded. It's all electric.
Wow.
Yeah, it's fun, man.
You teach how to build it on your Instagram.
I've got a link to my YouTube channel, and yeah, I do a whole build video on how to. It's not that hard. Like, I've never done any of this before, and it's really not that hard. It's all just plug and play. But yeah, check it out, dude. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, of course. Swerving on them. Oh, it's wet. Which reminds me, guys, I actually just cleaned my bike with some of the Charge PEV cleaner from Ceronster. I'll show you guys quick. I have I always get a bunch of chain lube all over my bike, so it looks pretty clean now since I cleaned it. So it's very rare of me to clean my bike, so. Whew. Nah, I'm just riding right now. Is that a Ceron?
Yeah.
Nice.
I see you being shade scoop and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, I ride with Shade all the time. Huh? All right, let's do it. Yeah, lead the way. Just found a Ceron in the wild. Zooming by. I gotta get that clip from him. I think I got more pickup than this. I think it's stock. Whew. Damn, I'm like out of pads now. That's a sweet view. You wanna go up top? Yeah. I'm probably just gonna ride down around here. Cause I'm not trying to see it, cause I'm gonna sweat my ass off, but Connor, right? Andy, right? Yeah, Connor. Andy, nice meeting you, bro. I'll see you. Yeah, I'll see you, bro. Cool dude, gave me Mountain Dew. But we're gonna keep our ride going, and hopefully we can have trust in these rear brakes. What's up? They know me. What's up, boys? Huh? Yeah, I'm recording. There you go. You got a one-hander? You got a one-hander yet? Not yet? Okay, that's fair. Oh, there you go, dude. You're already doing well. Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate you. What's your name? Samir? Connor. Yes, sir. And what's your name, bro? Trey? Connor. I figured I'd sneak up on you guys. Nice meeting you guys. I'm gonna head down this way. All right, keep up the practice. You guys are already killing it. You're gonna be 1,000 times better than me by the time you're my age. And here we go. Oh, we got more wheelie kids, I see. There we go. Let's go. There we go. Let's see it. Let's see some work. There we go. You got one hand? A little bit. Oh, there we go. All right. Huh? Dude, it's all throttle. It's electric. It's got all that power. Surfing. Yes, sir. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.